That was a beautiful dance performed by the girls. My name is Sadna, and I will be introducing you to the next dance in today's program. The next dance will be performed by Shrivisha and Charishri and is called Mooladhara Murti. It was composed by Papanasam Shivan in Hamsadhwani Ragam set to Adi Talam, choreographed by our guru, Miss Meena. Mooladhara Murti is a dance that focuses on the Mooladhara Chakra, also known as the root chakra. This chakra is believed to be the foundation of our physical and spiritual lives. This dance is dedicated to Lord Ganesha, who this chakra is believed to be connected to. Lord Ganesha is known as the god of new beginnings and the remover of obstacles. This dance has three parts: the Pallavi, Anupallavi, and Charanam. The Pallavi of Mooladhara Murti praises Lord Ganesha and talks about how he helps remove obstacles. In the Anupallavi, Lord Ganesha's divine qualities and his role in bringing wisdom and success is shown. In the Charanam, the dancers will begin to express the story of how one day Parvati was imagining having a little boy. Parvati used turmeric to bring a little boy into existence. Parvati told the boy to let no one in while she went to go take a bath. The boy did as told and was guarding the door. Shiva had come by the house, but the boy would not let him in as he didn't know who Shiva was. Even after Shiva explained to the boy that he was Parvati's husband, the boy still did not listen. Shiva got angry and ended up cutting off the boy's head. Parvati had to come and explain to Shiva who the boy was, and Shiva was then determined to fix what he had done. Shiva told his servants to bring the head of the first living thing they saw and bring it to him. His servants brought an elephant's head, placed it on the little boy, and Shiva had given his blessing. This dance expresses how Lord Ganesha comes into existence. Our talented dancers will bring the energy of Lord Ganesha to life through beautiful footwork, hand gestures, and facial expressions. Thank you and enjoy the performance.
Thank you.